How to download orders from Shopify and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, using x2x Business Central to Shopify integration. Orders that are produced on Web Store can be fulfilled from an internal ERP. For that purpose, the sales order produced on an e-commerce site should be available in system for further processing. Processing a web store order in an ERP was never that easy. With an x2x e-commerce extension, downloading a website order is just a matter of click. From x2x Shopify section, go to Download Orders. Once download orders are selected, the screen has an option to select the download order's time duration in terms of date. There is also an option of Generate Sales Order while downloading. If this is enabled, sales order generated in Business Central, as soon as it downloads from Shopify. Now the order is downloaded, but sales order not generated, as the option was not enabled. Now generate sales order, with the available option of Generate Sales Order. Now open the order by simply clicking on it, and post it in a similar fashion to the orders posted in Business Central. Once posted, the shipment and invoice number is assigned to it. The fulfillment status of posted orders in Business Central also get updated on Shopify Store as fulfilled. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.